Hi and welcome back. So in the part before we started to create the sofa. We created the base here at the bottom. We was also fighting with these things here with the legs, but it was actually my problem and I still don't know why it wasn't going. Anyway, then we started the base for the sofa itself. I tried to create some basic shape here, but after a while when I was looking at it a little bit more, I decided to change this a little bit because this is a moment which you can face a lot of time. You start to create a model, making one step, two steps, three steps, and after you'll decide, okay, I don't like this and that. You need to change that. Now, of course, I will not model it again. I will just change the parts which I don't like and try to make it more looking like this because I don't know, I like this a bit more than this shape which I did here. So I'll try to fix a few things here before and then start to put there more details and also these parts and everything. So with the details it will be looking better, but so far I want to create or recreate this shape. So let's go to the left view. Now if we point at 4, let's go back here to the poly. Or better, let's go first to the top view. We'll straighten everything here, I think. Or better, we'll align this to the first word, which is here. You can also move them in one axis, but this is not necessary here. So I'll not do that. We'll just move everything that will be aligned to each other. So this is quite a small fix, but sometimes it makes a big difference. Because if you are using subdivision or turbo smooth or anything like that, which makes a lot of polys, even a small thing can crash your model. And of course this is something which I don't want to do or to cause. So because this I would like to fix a few things and then continue. And I hope this is fine also for you. I know it's not easy every time to follow everything and so, and probably you will be happy if when I do a mistake I will start over. But also for this I was asking some users like if it's okay that when I do any mistake I'm not starting over. They told me yes, because they do the same mistakes. We are just people, of course. Okay, so I jump to the front view, and also here I will just align a few words. To have everything nice and smooth after. This is very important for me, because if the model will be not smooth or there will be anything like bad, I will be very sad, and this is something which I don't want to cause again. Okay, let's go to the left view. Now I will probably move some words in some axis and recreate this top here a bit. Recreate or fix the bands. Depends if you think that I destroyed before, but still I will leave here some of the bendings, because why not? Be looking nice, I think. So even that we did just a small change, I would like to look what I caused. Probably I will move this a bit, like here, to see better. Yeah, I moved, I think, something too deep, for sure. So we'll pull them away, then fix from the top view. Again, in this part I would like really to fix all the things which I did before or caused before. I think the rest looks fine. So just these ones here. So I need to align them to these lines. Like that, it will be okay, hopefully. Of course, you can't be sure. Yeah, sometimes it's better, quicker to start over, but I really don't want. And I don't think I should, because there is nothing which I can fix, you see. It was very quick. We just did few moves and we apply this one without selecting this. It should be smooth. And it is. So this is what we want to do, what we want to achieve at end. Everything smooth, everything nice looking, and so on. Let's go to the back view. And I think I would like to straighten these lines. I don't know, I can't help myself, but I don't like there. So, I don't know, in all the directions. I would like to align this to one line, more or less, of course. I don't want to make any big differences there. And you could notice that I'm moving just in one direction. Now if you move in two directions, like here, it can cause something. And you can try if it will cause something in our shape. I hope not, because it should be more or less straight. Yeah, this is fine. So we are straightening the back line. Which is also fine because this is something which I wanted to do. So just do it. And I'm not selecting both the back and the front side because I want to do just this one, not both. So this will make us busy for some time. I don't think for any long, but for sure, just for some time. And this is also when we do more connecting or something, and these lines will be not straight, not aligned together. Can cause our problems, and the lines connected together will be not straight. There will be different shape. And of course, this is something which we don't want to do, because we have to straighten them after. All the time you make something like that. It can move a bit your shape or some of your detail, and I don't want that either. Okay, few more will be done with this back. You can see I'm not straightening that absolutely. Oh, we could do that, but we don't have the need. Okay, so let's go pick a quick view here. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, let's go back here. What I said, I would like to do it more like here. For that, I need to change also this handles, or how to do it. These ones here. And how I will do that, it's very simple. I will select these here, use the line tool, and just pull it down, and it will go straight. So this is one of the tricks. So one more time. So we're straightening that. Still, I would like to keep there some angle, but not much. Just a bit. Now we can go to the front view. And here I would like also to move a few words here. I hope I will not destroy anything, because this I would like to look on that, because I was selecting everything on both sides. This is sometimes tricky and you can really destroy something, but no, this is fine. It looks fine, so I'm guessing that I was moving right. Okay, now something similar also here. Very quick, we'll just move this a little bit up. This here. And also this one. Something or something similar or the same. What we done here. Doesn't have to be the same, and it looks fine. Okay. So I fixed the shape a bit to make it more looking like here. I think I was more or less success. Here was something just which I would like to fix. The last step here will be to pull this line a bit inside. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so if you are happy with what you have, can also a bit of this one here. So again, if you are happy what you have, we can go to the next step. Before that, I forgot something. Select these here, bring them, connect. I will move the connection the same distance like is this one. So in the middle of these two, like that. And I think this was the last connect which I wanted to do. And also we did that, so it should be fine. Okay, we'll apply about this Turbo Smooth. Apply Turbo Smooth about this. You can still change anything there, fix some things if you think. And you could notice that I applied Turbo Smooth so far just with iteration 1. It's because I need more polys for the details right now. And to use a higher value here, it could be fine, but after that, anyway, I want to use again Turbo Smooth. So I will now use this one. I hope everything will be working how it should, and if not, I will just need to do some steps back, but I think it will be fine. And I will do now the changes, so I need to convert this to poly. So I have a model which is quite smooth, looks a bit strange, edgy, and so on. Not so bad from the distance, of course, but like here, it's very, very ugly. Now I would like to do the details. Okay, now first of all, I will do this this stuff here, which I was doing. That this is like 2 parts, so it's divided there. So I will loop this. It's of course looping just here. And now I can decide that if I need also here the dividing or not, because it's like here everywhere, stopping somewhere here. Of course, we can do that by selecting this. It's not necessary here because anyway it will be hide. So it's up to you if to do it also here or not. We can try to do it there, but we'll see how it will be looking when you apply Turbo Smooth. So we'll see. So what I will do, I will just hit extrude. We'll take a 0 here. This I will take higher, and with this I need to go inside. And as you can see, here we have a problem. Now it was also because it wasn't working there, the looping. So I will just cancel that, loop that once more, and I will do the loop just here because it's hide. We're hiding that. I really don't need to do everything. So I will stop here. I will try to do the same. I need to go inside. I don't need to go inside any much because we can do some strange things there. I need to go there just enough. Not much, but still a bit. I think this could be fine. And also, with keeping selected this, I will apply a small chamfer here. Just there. And now I will look if everything is fine here. Because really, I need to be sure. Yeah, it's fine. It's perfect smooth. And I like that. So this is just for the image. You see, it's very easy to do. And from the distance, of course, it looks like it's divided, even that it's not. So this is something which we wanted to achieve. Now let's go for these here. Now let's look how many we have them. Who's probably on the edge? Who's the second one? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we'll start with this. So here are 4. Here are 3. So we can start with that or something else. I think we can do something else. And we can do this one here. So I will do the same like here. But now I will do it here. And just on this shape again, because the rest will be height. And really I don't need to do so much. So basically I think I can use a similar value there. Can experiment a bit. Okay, I think 3 is too much, so I will click here, cancel and do the same value. And we have here a triangle, which can cause us trouble, so I will weld the words which are looking which are causing the triangle, and I will just delete the triangle. Now, if you are not using any kind of turbo smooth on that, you can keep the triangles there. But if you are using them, you can have serious troubles. So I will apply again the same chamfer, small one. And again, we can look. Yeah. So we have these two things here, which are making this one and this one and so on. So we did it very quickly. And because we are not going absolutely for the details, like what to do with this or so, we just can leave it here because anyway we'll hide it with this. So it's very simple when we look on that from this point. Okay, but now for the details here. So we have here four of these things. It looks like we don't have 4 of them. We have here just 3, and even here we have 3, which is fine. So let's look one more time. So what we need to do is to loop some, and we need to move some of them. We need to move some of them and not just move. We need to make them straight. We could also make new ones, but I would like to use the old ones for that. But of course, one thing to use the old one is that we will not destroy anything. It looks fine. So now we need to adjust a few things, like one will be here, one will be here, let's say, and the third will be here. So okay, not absolutely. This should be a bit more here. So one will be here. One more time. Second will be here. This should be now fine. It's more or less in the same distance, and now the same we need here. So first of all, I will took this one. It should be the same distance like here, so just a bit move to the left. And now we have here just 3 lines. We need a new one. Before I do that, I will again straight everything here. Because I want to do detail at once everywhere. And because we did already the Trubismith trick, we can be like sure that the stuff will be fine. I hope so anyway. I have to move to do this one more time. So we'll just do one connect. Now we will look on that from the distance. It's not absolutely symmetric, that's fine, of course, understandable. Okay. But I think it's fine like that. And hope nobody will notice that it's not the same at all dimensions and all sides. But anyway, we can still manipulate that a bit. Okay, let's go with this shape. So now we will select all of them. We'll loop them. We need a loop. Now, this detail should be something like there was sewing there. So I will not use the extrude function, I will use the chamfer function. And I will do something this wide. This is perfect, I think. Maybe just 4. Should be better. I'll go to the front view. We'll select now every single of these ones because I need to use the ring function and to select all polys here. Again, do everything at once. Oops, this one, but this one. Bring that control poly perspective and hit extrude. Let's go here, local normal. Check this away. And we will do extrusion like this. And I think this is fine. Fine and enough. It's the most important. Now this is fine. Now what else? Go back here, still selected this. Now we'll do a connect. We'll do 2 connections. We'll click yes. Now we'll go to extrude, make both 0. Okay, first of all, we need it here and do something like that. It's too much. Z to C, that everyone will see. It's better when we will apply Turbo Smooth there. And voila. Very quickly. I was looking like, what the hell is this? And after, okay, I close this. And with the lines, we caused an effect that's really something was sewing. Some sewing machine was used there. So very quickly. And it's already taking the shape. You see, with more details, it's already looking a bit better, which is good. Now, these ones here should be quite quick and easy. We'll just pick up one of them. Should be one in the middle, so let's go with this one. We'll just get loop. We'll do the chamfer trick because we have still the same values there saved, so we just need to select this one, ring, control poly, extrude, okay, back here, connect, okay, extrude, okay, you see, very quickly. And again, we can watch here. And again, the detail is there, and everything is looking how we want. Yeah, we did this like across the world model. It's fine. Okay, what else? What else? What else? The next thing, I'm looking now that it's probably a strange model. I'm looking now that probably I should check a bit more the reference pictures somewhere on the line because I don't think I'm seeing here all the details. But anyway, we can also do some of them in the next part. But now we can go for the plane. I would like to do these ones here. So from the top view, I will do here just a plane. So far like that. Go to the perspective view. Should be sitting here. So like that. Probably. So we don't want that to be floating above. But for this moment I think we can. Okay. So let's convert this to poly. There are a bit too much of them. It doesn't matter. So I will drag this just here. This one is more or less fine. Anyway, we can scale that a bit later. Now, even that I don't need so many edges, probably I will keep it there. And now I will not drag anything up. I will just select everything and use the extrude function up. And these ones should go quite high. Somewhere here. It's perfect position for me. Go here to turbo smooth. Hit here 2 is a line. I will go back here and I will do the same trick like I was doing before. So let's go first one side. I will use connect. Oops. And move it to one or the other side. It depends how large should be the smoothing at the end. So I will try it at this one side so far. The same here, so ring, connect, and I will place it somewhere here. Okay, let's look. And please wait a second. Okay, sorry for the pause. I was pausing the video because I had a call and I needed to take it, so probably you even didn't notice, but I was taking that. So I would like to have it a bit smoother, so I will just move these lines like that. I'll select this one and also make something like this, and I will fix here this corner and tell myself, it is enough or not? Should this be more smooth? I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. It's your taste, it's your call. So I think I can move this here so far just to see a bit better. And I will a bit experiment with this because I would like to have really a nice shape. I will delete this line just by hitting backspace. And from the top view, selecting all these here, backspace again. Also these here, I don't need them. Loop, backspace, words, because they are still there, backspace again. Perspective back. So now there is really nothing which can do anything to a shape like that. So we can play with that a bit, can adjust everything more and more. Really, it would be nice to have it a bit more smooth than I have it already. And by this corner I will also check everything. So yeah, this corner looks quite fine. Maybe just a last tweaking here on the top. And I can do the rest according to this, more or less, of course. So like this. Should be like that. Okay, maybe from the top view better to see the distance which we need. Now we can do not a loop, but just a connection, and move it somewhere here to the same shape. I don't remember that I deleted the bottom, but we don't have any. So cap it, and we need to do some cutting, quick cutting to reconstruct these ones. Reconstruct, just make the edges. Should be there, but they are not. Now let's look. Quite fine. This line we can move to the middle. Yeah, this is something which I like, and it should be fine for that. Now again, the proportion to the image there, like here it looks very large, actually here too, according to that. So the last thing is that I will move this a bit more up, just a bit, not much, because the smoothing also is taking it down. Now we can go to perspectives, to zoom, not to the top view. I will do a copy from this for using there. And now apply again, just the one. Just the one. Okay, convert to pony. Top view. Now this should be in the middle. These two are not. I took to the mesh. I don't want the mesh. Now the mesh is something which is there from the beginning of Max, and nobody knows why it's there still. Some legacy or something. I just read this somewhere. I don't remember where, but somewhere. Okay, again, select these two. They are from both sides. Clever. So also this. No, first these ones. So loop them. I hope we still have the same settings. No, we don't. And of course I already forgot. I think this was like this. It's because we have a different object. Because this we don't have the same things there. It's a pity. Okay, the extrude. We should know. I think this was something like 02 when I look on that. Probably yes. Anyway, it doesn't matter. This time I really would remember everything. Now this is fine, and this is I think the only thing which I remember. This was 03 I guess, and this 06. Now again, let's apply Trebusmont about this. Can go with the second value, even that I don't think we will see much difference. Just here on this shape, but this is fine. So we can apply the second. And now the same here. We'll use these lines. This should be more quick because now the settings should be saved in our shape. And you can see if you are really using this kind, it don't looks like on the image. Never mind this so far. Just do it from this side where it's fine. I know what happened, but I will fix that very quickly. Just I will finish this. Delete this one. I will do here connect just once. I will here do a connect. Now from the top view, I don't know which is the best side. This one. I will select this, delete. I will select this one, which should be the same like on the other side. With here, I will clone this just one element. Rotate that by 90 degrees. It's not showing me, I don't know why. Doesn't matter. And now I will place it. I would like to place it in the same position, but this is quite strange. It should be here. It's not fitting there. Have to be rotated. It can be like that. Oh, this looks absolutely strange. What I did. Once more. Okay, let's go to perspective once more. Hold on shift, clone it here. I will clone it to a new object. Center this object, the pivot 0, 0, 0, so I need to rotate this by minus 180. And now from the top view we should be able to connect that, but we are not. It should be the same shape. Apparently not. Sometimes I'm really surprised about these things. It should be the same, but it's not. So what I will do, I will not play with this one more time. I need to proceed, I need to fix this, so I will delete this line. Also delete these ones. I will select everything here, delete, and I will use the mirror tool just like a copy. I will hope that now, because now it really have to go together, will be fine. I don't need this for sure. Still have here something which I can't have there. Oh, I see. What is that? Yep. Okay. So one more time. Yeah. So I will hit here mirror tool. I will hit the copy, which is now fitting almost. Select this here, having that. Control poly and go the selection. One more time. Delete that, and I think this is something this is the part which we are missing. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the front view. We need to align this quite good, like this. Horrible. One thing can take so much time to fix. Now Ctrl A, weld the smallest value which we can. Can apply, let's apply the traverse mode. Yeah, this is fine, and later also we will do probably some other things there. So far, it's fine. Of course, it can interact with our shape. For this, we did that. Okay, I will also scale that a bit. It's maybe too much. Like, no, it's probably fine. Okay, also this axis. Okay, great. First part of that, I will start quickly this one here, but I don't think I will finish that. I think it was enough part of the tutorial. You're tired, I'm tired, everyone is tired. Yep. And we don't want to do any mistakes like I did before. I can say actually we did before. Yeah, there was one. Actually, there was one word which was not connected exactly. This I know from the welding, which I started right a bit before. Oops. I'm sorry for that, but sometimes happen that I do that. You never know. You can like miss one or two words, and you even don't know that you did that. when you apply a lot of chamfers and stuff like that, you will look after and tell, oh my gosh. Okay. Use the extrude function here. Somewhere here. We can do quick some of the modifications, but not all. How I said, we'll quit in a while, quick while. I just want to be sure that most of the parts will be paired for the next step, and we can start right after we will start max. So we'll adjust a bit the dimensions anyway. Can change them. Can try. Oops, not tessellate, but turbo smooth on this. We'll again apply polygon 1. Now this is fine because if we apply 2, be still there. So what to do here? You should know. We need to move these lines a bit here. Or I told you a lie. And basically what we need to do is to connect it here. Your call. Yeah, the second is the true. Okay, so we're preparing this one. We'll use it in a while. Okay, we need to have the same dimensions. Apparently we don't have. Anyway, we can fix that or change later. So almost we are done with the sofa. As you can see, it's not so hard to do. It's quite easy, and we have still some details to do. Maybe there, I don't know where. And after I will explain again a few things. I hope interesting for you, and so on. So thanks for watching so far. I will see you in the next part, which I hope will be the last one, and we'll jump for the materials and render this. And I hope soon we'll use this in some nice interior, which we will do. And I will also check the details, of course. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next part. Bye bye.